Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix you'll need a new app to open this Windows Defender link in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select yes. Now check my video description for this registry path. Just copy and paste it in the address bar and press enter. On left side you just need to make sure you selected Windows Defender. On right side you just need to double click on the disable anti-spyware, set the value data to 0 and click on OK, and disable antivirus, double click on it, make sure the value data is 0. After that click on OK, and now just close stuff here and go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select run as administrator and select as. Now check my video description for this command. Copy the command, depends on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Copy the command and paste it and press enter. We just need to wait for this command to get done. After getting this command completed, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can open the Windows Defender without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.